Looking for skincare products. We're starting with facial mud and facial scrub. Applying the substance get a little messy. The substance hardens after about 15 to 60 seconds. My favorite part is washing off the mask. I kept mine on overnight. You can choose how long, 25 minutes, 30 minutes. For a nice after effect. The scrub process is amazing. It's quite refreshing. It gets a little sticky once you leave it on for approximate amount of time, but once you wash it off, the skin is rejuvenated and smooth. Please use the facial scrub. Before the mask, the facial scrub opens your pores. The facial mask moisturizes. And when you're finished, have cleaning care skin.